morning, guys. Me and the lady drove up to Evergreen. We just got up to the trailhead and we're now on the Meadowview trail on the way up to Bergen Peak. We're gonna see if we can do it today. I heard a lot of people saying it's gonna be pretty icy and slushy, and a lot of people have had to use spikes on the way up. It's a pretty fun area to come up to. A lot of people come up here during the summer. Since it's shoulder season, we thought we'd just come up here, see what the conditions were like, and see if we can't get lucky and stay out of the snow for a day. But we're gonna enjoy this hike. Just have a good day. Somebody got hungry. All right, so it's about right now, we've gone about 2 3/4 miles to the top of Bergen right now, and so far we're getting pretty lucky as far as like the snow coverage and the ice. It was pretty icy coming up here, but I mean, now that we're kind of in the sun a little more, it's pretty dried out. We're almost to the top, so we're gonna keep going, just keep enjoying the day. Alright guys, we just got to the top of Bergen Peak. Took us just under 2 hours to actually get up here. It was a little tough because of some of the snow that was on the trails. That was packed down and a little icy, but we didn't have to use any crampons, which is nice. But some really good views up here. Really nice to see a bunch of aspen trees and just a bunch of groves throughout, and mountain views on the way up here. Definitely recommend this hike for anyone that's in the area. It's probably one of the most popular trails in Evergreen, just because there's so many views, so much variety. This was definitely a really fun hike. Like I said, we come up here all the time during the summer to trail run and hike with our dog. and it's a really fun place to come. So if you're in the area, definitely recommend you guys coming up here. Me and the girlfriend are pretty pumped that the hiking season's back. Like I said, the ski season's pretty much out, but we're glad to be back on the trails. But if you like this video and you want to see more like it, consider subscribing to the channel and make sure you hit that like button. I just want to thank you guys again so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.